Hey guys, welcome to this channel. Please subscribe on your notification bell, like this video, and comment your opinion on what you feel about this video. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. So here is the Akure Road. Yes, it's close to Akure Airport. The almighty busy road. Akure Ondo Road. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.
ṣé wọ́n gbẹ́ títì báyìí ni wọ́n gbẹ́ títì báyìí.
oyè mi ni ó ṣe pé nǹkan lè jẹ́ àkọ́kọ́ jù lé lè mú láì lọ ọdún láì lọ oṣù within 30 minutes.
Thank you for watching that video. Please don't forget to subscribe on your notification bell, comment your opinion, like this video please, and follow me on my social media handles. Instagram is Jolly Choco 1 and Twitter is Jolly Choco. Facebook is Jolly Choco 1. Please don't forget, I'm going to be replying you guys on the comment section, so drop your comments what you feel about this video. Thank you. Stay tuned.